been 24 hours, I need more hours with you. You spent the weekend getting even.
Hello, and thank you so much for hanging out with me. Today I was going to work in my personal journal, which is my pink standard size traveler's notebook. And in it I have two inserts that I made from the Daphne's Diary magazine. So if you want to see me put those together, I will leave the link of that in the description box below as well. So for this day, which was October 2nd, I didn't really feel like writing anything, but I wanted to play in my journal. So I used this printout of something that my very sweet friend and colleague sent me. And it's called 10 Guideposts for Wholehearted Living. And it's like these free printables. She has various, and I will link those as well below. They're so cute. And basically it's a list of things you should let go of and what you should cultivate instead. So here I'm just cutting out the bits and pieces from this printout because I just wanted to, as I said, play. And originally I just wanted to doodle, but then I grabbed this stamp set that I got from AliExpress, which I wanted to link below, but unfortunately I saw that it's no longer available, so I'm so sorry about that. But of course you can use any stamps you have, or you can just doodle. So let me just read you some of the things, because it might be a bit hard to read, of things that you should let go of and cultivate instead, because the list is very cute. So it says, so one side is always let go of, which is the gray side, and the colored side is what you should cultivate instead. So let go of what people think and cultivate authenticity. Let go of perfectionism and cultivate self-compassion. Let go of numbing and powerlessness and cultivate a resilient spirit. Let go of scarcity and fear of the dark, and instead cultivate gratitude and joy. Let go of need for certainty, that's a difficult one for me, and cultivate intuition and trusting faith, which is what I'm actually trying to do right now in this phase of my life. Let go of comparison, also a difficult one, and cultivate creativity. Letting go of exhaustion as a status symbol and productivity as self-worth, and cultivate play and rest. So this is actually what I'm doing right now. Letting go of anxiety as a lifestyle and cultivate calm and stillness. That's a good one too. Letting go of self-doubt and supposed to, and cultivate meaningful work. And last but not least, letting go of being, sorry, I can't even read this. Being goal and, what? Being, okay, I really can't read this. Being, okay, and always in control. Being good? No. I don't know. But just the being always in control, that's a good one for me too, because sometimes I think I really am a control freak. And cultivate instead laughter, song, and dance. So that's again the playfulness thing. So these are really things I want to take to heart, and I want to remember these. So that's why I wanted to put it in this little journal. And I really love working in this journal because it's just so much fun and so many different pages. And I like that the pages aren't all the same size. And I'm really enjoying playing in this a lot. Now, I don't know if you enjoy watching me work in this one more or in the other one that I did most of my Journal With Me spreads in. Please leave me a comment what you enjoy more, or I can do some of these and some of the other ones. I'm trying to get a feeling of what you like and what you enjoy watching more. So yeah, for the rest of the video, I'm just gonna let you watch. Here I'm just using my watercolors with my water brush to just put a bit more color onto the stamps, and I'm just gonna continue playing around. So thanks for hanging out with me. Bye.
Doesn't have to end, but if it ends, can we be friends? Can we be friends? If it ends, can we be friends? Girl, you're wondering why I've been calling, like I got ulterior motives. No, we didn't end this so good, but we know we had something so good. So I'm wondering, can we still be friends? Can we still be friends? Doesn't have to end, but if it ends, can we be friends? Yeah. If it ends, can we be friends? And if it ends, can we be friends?
I've been working on myself and on my patience, but sometimes that shit don't come easy. And I see you've been trying your best to give me explanations, but words don't really cut it lately. Remember when all I was precious, if all that we had was the best, yeah. Now every answer's a question. Like every night is one of us getting aggressive, the other one's acting possessive. Guess it's the way that we do shit now. You, me, we never say we're sorry. Hands around my body, fuck it till we good, fuck it till we good. And we promise we'll do better, both good and together. Fuck it till we good. If it isn't love, tell me why do we hurt so good? If it isn't love, tell me why do we hurt so good together? If it isn't love, tell me why do we feel so good? If it isn't love, tell me why do we hurt so good together? So maybe I'm crazy, maybe we're crazy. No one loves me better than you